Hey everybody, this is Darren Amato with AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey, where we specialize in bulk t-shirt printing and bulk embroidery. Let's take a walk out to the shop and see what we've got going on press right now. We're going to take a walk here and we're going to go take a look at our automatic screen printing press. If you're interested in custom bulk order shirts for your school, your company, your organization, give us a call. I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around, let you see what's going on. Here you see Jenny and Diana working together, getting the customer's t-shirt done. Today we're printing a left chest, single color. These shirts are going to an industrial safety event to recognize the safety record of the company. Here they are wet going through the dryer. They'll roll through 380 degrees, come out the other side, and be ready to be packaged and sent off to the customer. We're capable of producing over 6,000 shirts a day. As you can see, they're starting to stack up. It does take a little bit of time to dry, but here we go to the other end. They'll be coming off, and Maria is folding them individually by size, and we'll pack them up nicely with a nice note to the customer, and we'll ship them off overnight. So if your organization, school, or club needs custom bulk t-shirts printed or custom bulk embroidery, give us a call here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. See you again soon.